Chapter 5. The Deaf Frog's Determination. Get connected. The story of Toady and Froggy reminds us that sometimes curiosity can lead us into tricky situations. It's important to think before taking big leaps. But when you do find yourself in a tough spot, like Toady and Froggy, don't lose hope and keep trying, because with determination, you can overcome challenges. Once upon a time, there were two frogs named Toady and Froggy. They were fast friends and lived happily in a marsh near a deep pit. Life in the marsh was peaceful because there were no dangerous animals around. Toady was a deaf frog, but he had strong trust in his adventurous friend, Froggy. Every day, they played with the other young frogs, hopping around the marsh's leaves. One sunny day, Froggy had a daring idea. He wanted to explore the deep pit near the marsh. Toady, relying on Froggy's bravery, agreed. They leaped into the dark pit, causing the other frogs to worry. Inside the pit, they found themselves on rough surface, surrounded by darkness. Froggy felt scared, but Toady was busy searching for food. He discovered some ants and excitedly showed Froggy. Suddenly, Froggy realized they were trapped deep in the pit with no way out. He tried to convey this to Toady, who couldn't hear him. Panicked, Froggy attempted to jump out but failed. When the other frogs crowded around the pit and saw how deep it was, they told the two frogs that there was no hope left for them. Eventually, Froggy took heed of what the others were saying and gave up, falling down to his death. Toady continued to jump as hard as he could. Again, the crowd of frogs yelled at him to stop the pain and just die. But he thought the other frogs were encouraging him. Toady gathered all his courage and made a daring leap to freedom. He used a rope to help Froggy escape the pit. The two friends decided never to go near the pit again, learning that with determination, they could conquer even the most challenging situations. Moral of this story: people's words can have a big effect on others' life. Think about what you say before it comes out of your mouth. Word meaning: curiosity, a desire to know. Marsh, an area of soft wet land. Daring, brave enough to take risks. Relying, to trust somebody. Leaped, a big jump.